Can we go around to the other side?
Oh, and a snake. It just ran away from us because he was scared.
He's a little tiny snake. He's afraid of you.
Yeah, I know. I could tell because he ran off like lizards run off.
Oh.
He ran in here.
Oh, there's another lizard there. I saw the snake go in there. And there's a little tiny lizard right there.
We're not going to bother you. You can live there. Yeah, he's the same color as those gray rocks. There he goes. See him? Right there.
You know what that is?
A lizard.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the rock. Where's the lizard?
Right on the rock. Between the
Oh,
rock
yeah,
and the
okay, I
viga.
see. That's tuff. That's volcanic tuff.
Oh, yeah.
All of this.